Today we will discuss Spearman rank correlation method for measurement of correlation coefficient. There are two cases. Actually, Spearman rank correlation method is used when the data is qualitative. That means we can't measure the data numerically, but it is either characteristic or quality of something, or it is a ordinal data. Ordinal data basically it is like you are given division of student or position of student. Yeah, you are given ranks of judges for a given competition. You are not given numeric data, but you are given ordinal data. That is comparison is given, ranks are given. So there are two cases, either ranks are given directly or ranks are not given directly. If ranks are given directly, you simply solve the question. If ranks are not given directly, you first assign ranks to the series. Then if after assigning the ranks, you will check whether the ranks are repeated or not. Basically, if the values are repeated, then ranks will be repeated. So we divide the measurement of coefficient of correlation in case of Spearman rank correlation method in two categories. First one is when ranks are not repeated, and another one is when ranks are repeated. When ranks are not repeated, our formula is R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square over n cube minus n, where d is the difference between ranks of two series. Ranks of first series minus ranks of second series. Second one is when ranks are repeated, we apply this formula for measurement of coefficient of correlation 1 minus 6. This all is in bracket sigma d square plus m cube minus m over 12 plus m cube minus m over 12 plus so on over n cube minus n. This factor m is added, and what is this m? It is number of times the rank is repeated. We solve it by taking this numerical example. Values of x are given 1000, 1200, 1400. Where ranks are not given, you have to assign ranks. You are given values of x and y. If values of x and y are given, you have to assign ranks first. Ranks can be assigned in ascending order of the values or in descending order of the values. You have to just keep in mind, whatever the method you use for x, same method should be used for y. If you are giving ranks to x as lowest value as 1 and highest value as maximum rank, then you have to use the same method for y, that you have to give rank 1 to the lowest value of y and highest rank to the highest value of y. Here I have used the same method. I have given the 1 rank to the lowest value of x, 1000 is assigned 1 rank, then 1202 and so on up to 7. Here 900 is assigned rank 1, then 1082, then 1403, 1504, 1605, 1706 and 1807. Now see, no rank is repeated. Each value is given a unique rank, that because no value is repeated. All the values occur single time in the series. So after assigning the ranks, we will take the difference of ranks Rx minus Ry. 1 minus 1, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 3 minus 4, minus 1, 4 minus 3, 1, and so on. After that, we will square the values of D, that is difference between the ranks of X and ranks of Y. This will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and 0. Sum total of this D square, it comes out to be 2. Now, substituting the value of this D square, sigma D square and N in this formula, we will get coefficient of correlation as minus 0.964, which shows that there is high correlation and it has negative sign. That means X and Y are negatively related to each other. This is the one example. Another is a case when ranks are repeated. Their values of x are given and y are given. I have assigned again the rank 1 to the lowest value. 59 is here lowest value. So I have assigned rank 1. After 59, 60. I have assigned rank 2 to this, then 67, 3, 68, 4. No, 75 is repeated. So we will assign rank in such a way that to both the values, they should be assigned same rank. That is possible if I will take the average of next two ranks. I have use the ranks till 4. Next two ranks can be 5 and 6. Next two ranks will be 5 and 6. So I will take the average of 5 and 6 and assign that value as a rank to both the values of 75. That is 5 plus 6 over 2, 5.5, 5.5. I will assign rank 5.5 to 75 in X series. Then next rank will be 7 because 5 and 6 are utilized. So I will assign rank 7 to 78 and 8 to 80. Similarly, I will assign ranks in Y series. In Y series, lowest value is 12. So I will assign one rank to 12, then 13, 2. Then 14 is repeated 3 times. So 3 ranks, next 3 ranks, 3 plus 4 plus 5 divided by 3. That means 3 ranks, 3, 4, 5. They are averaged. Their mean is 4. So I will assign 4 to all values of 14. 4 to all the values of 4 to 14 value of Y series. Then this is 4, 4, 4. Then I will assign next rank, that is 6 to next value, next higher value. 15 will be assigned rank 6. Then 7 to 16 and 8 to 17. Then I will take the difference between ranks of X and Y series. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 2, 5. 5.5 minus 4, 1.5. And so on. Then I will square the values of D. 7 square is 49. 5 square is 25. 1.5 square is 2.25. 1.5 square is 2.25. Then 0, 16, 16, 49. Then I will sum total sigma D square. It will be 159.50. Then I will substitute the values in this formula. And by substituting the values in this formula, I will get R as minus 0.9285. Now, substituting the values, we need sigma D square. Sigma D square is 159.5. Now, M, it is number of times the rank is repeated. In X series, 5.5 is repeated and it is repeated 2 times. So I have taken M as 2 here. 2 cube minus 2 over 12. In the next series, rank 4 is repeated and it is repeated 3 times. So I have taken M as a 3. That means this term M cube minus M, this will be repeated. The number of ranks are repeated. Here 5.5 was repeated and 4 was repeated. So this term comes only 2 times. If there are more ranks which are repeated, then I will again write on this term and substitute the value of M in that. Now by solving these values, I will get coefficient of correlation as minus 0.9285. Again, the coefficient of correlation is very high. It is 0.92, but sign assigned is negative, which shows that there is negative relationship between X and Y series. This is all about Spearman rank correlation method. This is a simple examples related to solving correlation coefficient with the help of Spearman rank correlation method.